am so happy and I am so excited. Actually, this was paano ko ba ikukwento 'to? My God, may ADHD cannot handle such things. Teka lang. Meron tayong bagong game na isa-start today. And the name is Fineworks Act 1. You guys know naman na I'm into visual novels and sometimes I do play rhythm games like Muse Dash, Just Dance. Kasi they're fun. Tapos mas maganda yung sounds and ganon. So, ito yung game natin today. So, again, I would like to say thank you, Tetis Games. Shout out to Tetis Games for giving us this game for us to try today. So, teka, lipat na tayo doon. Load na nga natin to. Sandali lang naman. So, right now, naglo-loading siya. It's also made with Unity Deck. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na! Loading shaders. The shade. So, ang isang napansin ko dito is maganda yung art style niya. Oops. Risk off. Teka lang. Yan ko lang yung ating sounds. What's this? Ay, hindi ko nabasa. Ano? Okay. Welcome to the workshop. Basta alam ko, nagbigay siya ng disclaimer. So, sabi dito, welcome to the workshop. Let's calibrate your loom. Hit calibrate. Then press any key or button to the beat to make sure you're synced. Oh! Calibrate. Ano to? Once started, a metronome will tick. Press any key or button to the beat. Ah, okay. Again. I'm sorry. Hindi ko alam. Ah! We have set your input delay to 150, a value that works for most players. If you find that things feel off, you can always calibrate your loom. Ang cute! May clouds. So, ano to? Autoplay level. Disable effects. Meron kasi akong, meron akong motion sickness, so hindi ko siya ma-tick off. So, narrative, dialogue speed. So, ano siya, yung game pala is a a visual novel with rhythm gaming mechanism. So, kaya merong beat. Let's try the new game. Okay, everybody, we are trying to play. We're not trying, actually. We are going to play Finework Act 1. Okay, let's start. Oh my God! What is your name? Ito na naman tayo sa what is your name. My name is Mama Mia. Ay, hindi pwede mag-space. Okay, yan na lang. What are you like? Ano to? Uy, beauty! Ang taray naman ng beauty. You fundamentally understand and embody beauty. Your fashion and form is bleeding edge. You turn heads whenever you go. Ano kasi ako? Galaw-gaw kasi ako. Kaya talaga tinitignan ako. Nakakahiya din ako minsan kasama eh. Baka hindi naman sa beauty. Ano tong charm? Your words ease, invite, and delight. Strangers and friends alike seek your company above others. Uy, sana all ganito ako. Sana all ganito ako, hinahanap nila. May charm ako, charm. You see plainly what others fail to notice. Lies, secrets, obscure, and opaque gestures, all rendered crystal clear to your perception. Labo mata ko eh, paano ba to? Wait lang. Minsan may ganito ako. Minsan, wala, bulag ako, wait. You move with ease and style, clever with eye and hand, no gesture is beyond your reach. Ay, hindi. Wala akong grace. Spark. You let intuition light the way. Inspiration arrives from unlikely channels. When the muse speaks, you listen. Ah, baka ito ako. Ay, salamat. May nahanap din ako. Might. You are strong. Fundamentally sound. At ease with your prowess. Where others tremble beneath a burden, you shoulder it without a second thought. Oy! Ano ba tayo? Groot? Hindi, ito ako. Isa ako nito. Ano to? Isa akong Spark. Yes, lakas baka Jordan Spark. Isa akong Spark. Hindi ko alam ko, hindi ako beauty, excuse me. I would like to think I have charm. Gleam, delikado kasi bulag tayo. Wala akong grace. Kasasabi ko lang kaninang galaw-gaw ako. You are strong? O sige, pwede na rin I am strong. I am strong on the shoulders. Ganon. Sabi dito, ano ba to? Fundamentally sound? Ano yung fundamentally sound? Parang matunog ka ba? At ease with your prowess. Sige na nga, at ease. O, ito na lang ako. Start to! Oh, gosh. The world is wild and ever-shifting, dreamt by ancients of fathomless scale and power. Newer dreams must find the gentle places, the easy places, by chance or design. You found one such place in Glimhold, and tomorrow, you'll open shop. Dream of the loom, the weave, the golden braid of a life spooling through your fingers. Steady hands. Tutorial. Hold space to warp. Okay. Ay, ano to? Ay, tapos magle-left. Ay, gaga. Okay. Pag forward, space. Okay, gets. So, tayo po ay nananahi. Ang taray. Ooh. Mali tuloy. So, pag diagonal, okay. Getching, getching. Yung timing na lang. Mali! Dude. Oh, paano tong twirling? Ay. Kaya pala. So, ang hopeful lang ako is makayanan siya ng motion sickness ko. And, yun. Yay! Letter A! Panis. So, naka 26 perfect, 2 grade, 2 okay, 2 miss. Flow, multiplier. Nice. Basta na-gets naman natin kung paano siya. Okay na rin. Ayan. A Dream Cut Short by Mar, upstairs. Your musician roommate. Very close, very dear, and very loud. Awaken, dreamer. There's newness to be had. Beauty to make, vivid beings to meet. Oh. Oh, nice. Bet. Sana hindi siya masyadong mahirap for me. I bet Mar hasn't slept. Oh, Mar. Ay, maganda. Ano to? Alright. Ano to? Notebook ba to? Okay. So, tama ba? N is notebook. Okay. Tapos, H is history. Okay, tama. Okay, let's start. I bet Mar hasn't slept. I make Han some tea. What is Han? An honorary title for any vivid being. Can be used in place of a name. Okay. Your thoughts turn to the coming day, to unknown patrons, and their unknown demands. Thank you. Parang ano, parang Hobbit, parang ganon. When you notice something in your periphery, periphery, at the window pane, look, akala ko design tao pala. You skip the T and go straight to Mar. Mar, ano na? Oh, hello? Ala, kamukha niya si ano? Sino pa to? Yung kasama ni Michael Jackson sa ano? Sa Demon Slayer. Wait, search ko lang kung sino yon. Wait. Kokoshibo. Tama ba pagkasabi? Diyos ko naman, marunong magbasa. Kokoshibo. Oo, yung anim na matang demon. That's him. Mukha niya talaga. Okay, let's go back to the game. Pero this one, she's cute. Future famous sand shaper. What? You're going to shape those sands. So, what is sands? Phenomena. Send. To send is to transmit a memory to another. As fresh memories make the receiver more vivid, send is precious currency. Each sending blurs the memory further. Okay. Phenomena. Okay. Ooh, good. Mar? Yeah? Kamukha niya talaga si Kokoshibo. I saw something. I saw somebody downstairs. Yep, that's how shops work. Why are you up here? Time to shine, baby. I don't think it was a client. Han was sneaking around the window. A shy client, maybe? Not shy. Han's face was against the glass. Yeah, probably not shy then. Too much to think about, but later, after your debut. I've been telling everyone opening day at the house Mar Mamma Mia. Pinagsama niya yung pangalan namin. I said, Han's scent shape is top-notch, insane. And they said, didn't Han drop out of scent shaping school? And I said, yeah, because Han's just that good. Oh. And they said, didn't you also drop out of scent shaping school? And I said, there are two types of dropout. Really now? Two types of dropout, huh? W strategy? I have a question. Yes, this one. How Mar Mamma Mia? It's definitely House Mamma Mia Mar. Mamma Mia Mar? Yon. Parang Marimar. Marimar. Ah, doesn't have the same ring. Pretty good pitch though, right? Ah, okay, this one na lang. That didn't work, did it? Oh, I also had a chant. Ooh. Mark clears Han's throat and begin to chant. It is choreographed. Come all, come hither. Come in, bring your best send. The route is bad. The routine is bad. Send shaping star in the making. That's Best Mars best friend. Okay. Good. Huh? I'd like to be this kind of friend. I don't know what to say. Okay. I didn't use a chant. That was kinda drunk, kinda sober up. Original I spun up just now. I'll do almost anything for you, but I have to draw the line somewhere. I did make this new sequence though. It's finally coming together. Ah, wait lang. What is history? Okay. Sun shape. Objects woven out of memories. Sun shape is powerful, emotionally charged, and enduring. Unlike non-such, sense shape can be taken from dream to dream. Okay. Ano yung sequence? A mechanically generated song. Sequencing and chanting are legal forms of music, but musical experimentation within either modality, modality is still a taboo. Still taboo. Okay, where is Pantheon? Ah, okay. Places. Places. Mga people. Si Han. Okay. So, wala dito. Saan yung places? Wala ring places. So, phenomena. Okay. Okay. So, I'm still trying to understand some jargons within the game. And nakakatulong yung notebook. Okay, so I like it naman. I heard some of it before I came upstairs. Was going to bring you some tea, but you got creepered. Creepered. This is really it, huh? After all you've learned, after all the late night practice interviews we did, you're going to, you're going to, what's wrong? Ala, umiiyak si ko. As much as I want to call her by her name, Mar, I really cannot help it but call or or compare this character to Kokoshibo. Kokoshibo ba ang pangalan niya? Kokoshubo? Kokoshibo, 'di ba? Kasi kamukha niya talaga six eyes. Tapos, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Sabi ka, you're going to do so much and I love you so much. Oh, hopefully. I could never have wow. Sorry about the tricycle. Tricycle, wala naman tricycle dito. Motorcycle outside. I could never have done it without you. Wait. Oh no. I forgot something important. It'll only take couple minutes, but you gotta stay up here, okay? Hmm? Okay. Wait. But what if any clients drop by while you're up here? I'll handle it Mars style. You can trust me. Aren't you drunk? Call out. Okay, sounds great. I don't have any idea on what's going on, but I'll trust Mar on this one. Perfect. Thanks, Mar. Don't thank me yet. Thank me after. Wait. After what? Like that, Mar's gone. You sign to your fate, you wait upstairs. Hmm. Should I look at something else or should I and you wait. Sorry. And wait. It sounds like Mar's struggling. Mar? Please stay in. Make your home here. It's where you what's happening? Belong. Perfect. Now we won't be surprised by any what's happening? What do we have here? Mar teeters precariously on the ladder. Brace for impact. Try to catch Mar. Step aside. Of course, we'll try to save Mar. You leap beneath Mar, exhibiting excellent reflexes. Regrettably, you exhibit neither strength nor grace. I told you I have no grace. Oof, oof. Yes. Lakas mga Arnold Schwarzenegger. The two of you make a messy pile of limbs on the floor. Fortunately, your body brunt the worst of the fall. Oh, what is this croc? Crotch shot. Excuse me? Ano to? But I like the bird. I like the bird. I'll fly away. Do you always do an acrobatics bit before I for a new customer? Oh, who are you? You should really have a bell or something for the door. Oh, for real? Why do you think I was on a ladder in front of the door? For fun? It's not a bell though. It's better. Behold, Mamma Mia, and whoever you are. A beautiful, perfectly hung door chime. Ah, ganda naman. It's like a chandelier or some sort. Wow, Mar. It's my favorite thing ever. I think it matches na lang. It looks perfect in here. Right? Worth the fall. Was it? Ah, that's her name? His name. Andres. Ah, how can I help you? I need sand shape. Sand shaper? You notice the voice comes from not from the blindfolded one, but from the winged one. Oh, yung ibon. I'm here to pour some trust in you. As a delver, my sand is hard earned. What is a delver? Delver. Intrepid explorers who plunder the dreams of greater beings. Delvers enter dreams other mock would not, exploring hostile realms in search of thrill, tre- treasures, and uncharted territory. Delving is a dangerous and unpredictable pursuit. Oh, so para siyang adventurer. My send is hard earned. I'm going to let you two talk shop. I've got a song to build. What do you mean? See you later, I guess. So sino si Andres dito, yung bird? Hmm. Hmm. Your friend's cute. Not exactly graceful, but ayun siya sa taas. What was that? Ah! Now imagine you're on a ladder. Point made. A taste of your own medicine ba yan? Anyway, Sense Shaper, if I put myself in your hands, will I find them to be competent? Hmm. I don't want to sound rude. I don't want to say obviously. And I don't want to say you're a bit much. Let's just try to ask na lang. I, what do you I'll take that as a yes. Well, I'm not saying no naman. I'm saying yes, but I have questions, you know. See? What is this? Ah, yes. How inconsiderate of me. I'm Andres, Delver, do nothing, apostate, and collector of spectacular send. Even wait against other. Ah, so there are other delves. I'm Mamma Mia. Pleasure to meet you. The pleasure's all mine. Tell me more about what you're seeking. My send. Your touch. Combat send shape mainly. I need delving gear. Delving gear needs to stick from one dream to the next. Gear for which of you? Are you Andres? Or are you Andres? Ha! For the bigger body, but it's all ah for the bigger body, but it's all Andres. Wings does not Wings does the talking and scheming. Arms does the heavy lifting and the lazing around. Where race me? What is that? Race me? Did I pronounce it right? Race me, a being with a single mind contributed between two or more bodies. While race me, I don't know if it's race me, Rakimi, or what. Rakimi? Mas maganda ba yung Rakimi? Parang chichirya, Rakimi. Parang parang pagkain ng daga, Rakumin. Race me na lang. While race me can be found all across the ether, the majority hail from bow, deep bow, and surrounding dreams. Okay, so it's a phenomenon naman pala. Guys, if you guys can hear more in the background, pasensya na, wala siyang pasok. She doesn't have school. Pero tomorrow is her moving up ceremony. So, pasensya na po. Surely you've met others like me. No, actually, I'm pretty new still. Well, honored to be your first. I'm no different from you, really. Every person is a congress. My body is just twice as honest as others. So, Scent Shaper, how should we start? An interview, customarily, are some of the questions for screening purposes? Ah, I saw another Scent Shaper before you. We didn't get beyond the interview. The life I've led contrasted too much, perhaps, with Hans. I'm no artisan, and happy for it. No offense, of course. Scent shapers don't usually turn people away for lifestyle differences. The interviews just for building understanding. The questions can be difficult sometimes, but it's not a test. It's more of a synchronization. I almost hope you'd give me the boot, too. After all this reassurance, it would be hilarious. Okay, I wouldn't do that. You're my only client. It would be. Let's reassure. I'm sensing hesitation. Well, a good sense shaper doesn't judge. You can be open with me. I promise. Are you ready? Okay, sense shaper, ready for my interrogation. Ooh, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What is this? Go ahead and get comfortable. I'll be right back with tea. Don't mind if I do. All right. Cha. There we go. Let's get started. Hmm. Parang ang lalim naman ito. A regret? Excuse me. Violence? Future vision? Baka try natin to. What was your last OM card spread? What is an OM card? Pantheon. Una Mora. Ooh. A pair of beloved forerunners, now thought deceased. Their romance sent shockwaves through the ether to the I don't know if it's pronounced as either or ether, and lovers alike. OM cards are named in their honor. Okay. Not really my speed. I prefer actual games. Chips, Tech Down, Fountain. Right. Okay. I don't read myself, but when I went to someone as you do, past bring fuge, present river riven, and future the lands. Yikes. Yep, haven't had one so bad in 50 cycles. What do you think it means? That I'm in deep, with a lot on the line. What about bright fuge? Fugue? Fugue ba? Fuge. Oh, what is this picture? Ah, it's a card. Ha! Bright fugue. Fugue? Shows up in half of my OM reading. Always in the past position, never the present. But if it's the past, then must have been the present at some point, right? It happens enough that I thought about it. People say everything's clearer in hindsight, but my next moves, what do I stay vivid, what do I do for fun, are about what's in front of me. Switch up my surroundings and I've got new schemes. The previous era is always a sort of island unto itself. For me, a bright fugue. Fugie? Fugu? Exactly. All right, next question. Hmm. What moves you? What was the last thing that brought you awe? I'm often odd. Delving will do that. The last time, the last time was at I don't know how to pronounce this one. Before I got to Gleamhold, haven't heard of it. Before landing the contract, deep inside Monty domain. What is Monty? Monty Manor. Monty Manor, a forerunner. It strives to preserve stability. Ever expanding, Monty Manor is home to countless muck and to historic initiatives like High Shield and the Protector Rate. Oh, they are pantheons. Okay, before you're even a day out from the city, scouts are asking your name and allegiances, demanding a spread of sendings to confirm your identity and intent. Having a contract helped, but if I'd been relying on a fluffed up backstory, no matter how tidy, I would have been sweating. The scouts were ready to pith at the slightest discrepancy. And if the scouts were scary, the city was terrifying. I could see the city walls from a half day away, like a crown of like a crown of blue ice. The scale of it made my gut go cold. Incomprehensible. The closer I got, the less sense it made. And the whole trek, the city was probing me, floating images and happenings up within me blink fast. To watch my response, I guess, map me out. Before I could even think about a scene, about what the city might have gleaned from my reaction, it already started another. By the time I got inside, my nerves were laid. All through the city, there were these white glyphs flitting about like lightning. Looking back, I think the glyphs were data, communication, a puzzle solving itself, or some kind of joke told in three dimension. That's just a sense. I couldn't pin down any meaning or order. It looked like chaos, but something told me it wasn't. I won't forget it. Oh, hold on a second. Oh, what is this? Eh? Okay, gotta go. Been swell. Shapeshifter, really. Just like that, Hans gone. Did the weird bird just leave? Why are you up there? Yes, very abruptly. Peculiar. Wanna come hear what I've been working on? Of course. Ooh, what is this? Oh, the little melody at the beginning. Should I use a wooden pipe sound or pluck string? Parang ang scary for me. Strings. Excellent. That's exactly what I was thinking. Hopefully, I'll have it finished soon. Whoa, idea. You know how I've been designing a portable sequencer? What if it was ultra portable? What if it was sense shape? You made me practice pieces before, but this would be real. I'd love that. Let's do it. Woo! Okay, I need a flywheel for my sequencer, but with one teeth, like a gear. Interview time? We live together, Mar. I think we're already synchronized. Oh, just one question. Something really dumb or really juicy. It'll be like we're back in sense shaping school. Are you gonna leave me? Ah, so sad. Uh, what was the dumbest thought you had today? Besides thinking I should climb a ladder while still metabolizing last night's drinks? Crazy. Earlier today, after sequencing for hours, I couldn't remember how many eyes I had. You girl, you got six. Not at the dumbest thought yet. The dumb thought was, I'll go ask Mama Mia. Oh, all right, Mar. Ready to be my first client? Akala ko ba first client mo si Andres? Yes, one gear please and make it pretty. Okay, let's go downstairs. Okay, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Oh, nasa loom. I've already got a memory picked out for the flywheel. It won't look much when I send it, but that's because it's about the sounds, not the scene. Series of sounds. Kicking gravel by the old canal. The water splashing, the non-such. Ano ulit yung non-such? The matter of substance of dreams. The non-such can be flora or fauna. Okay, you'll get it, I know. Only one way to find out. Oh my god, easy muna, easy. Of course, Mar Machine. Hold. Oh, yan ko lang, konti. Okay, let's see. Wait, bakit hindi niya naririnig? Ba't parang walang sounds? Crafting music volume. Okay, let's try it again. I'm so sorry. Kailangan kasi marinig nyo siya. Oh, Oo, oo. Ang cute. Ano nangyayari? Ooh. Ooh. You know, wala akong miss. Oh, wala akong miss. Yay! Wala akong miss. Yay! Ooh, what's this? Don't you listen to your clients? I asked for pretty. This is gorgeous. I love it. I'm gonna build the best sequencer around this. But not tonight. It got late fast. Let's sleep, Mamma Mia. You've earned it. Thanks, Mar. See you tomorrow. Good night! Wow. So, ganun siya. Ganun pala siya mag-play. Sleep sounds wonderful. Your first day as a sand shaper didn't go as planned. And yet, somehow, everything went just right. You're easing into sleep when you hear it. An alien tone, wobbling in the air. Mechanical? Organic? The forlorn cry echoes through the night, floating over the rooftops. Ang ganda naman ng neighborhood. What is this sound? What was that sound? In the sounds wake, you feel seen. You lie awake for some time, to little avail. The cry does not return, and no plausible explanations arise. With little else to do, you pull the covers up high and settle in. Sleep greets you soon enough.